Good evening and welcome to Nation Wants to Know. I'm Madhav Gopal Krishnan. Viewers, there's a huge storm in Punjab just days after the 2024 verdict. Monday, Member of Parliament Kangana Ranaut alleged that she has been slapped by a CISF Jawan during the security check at the Chandigarh airport. Posting a video on social media, the actor-turned-politician said that she was attacked by the CISF Jawan who hit her on the face and abused her soon after security check.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ोन कॉल्स आ रहे हैं मीडिया के भी और मेरे शुभचिंतकों के भी। सबसे पहले तो आई एम सेफ, आई एम परफेक्टली फाइन। आज चंडीगढ़ एयरपोर्ट पे जो हादसा हुआ वो सिक्योरिटी चेक के साथ में हुआ। वहाँ पे मैं सिक्योरिटी चेक करके जैसे ही निकली तो दूसरे कैबिन में जो महिला थी, जो सुरक्षा कर्मचारी थी CISF की, उन्होंने उनके पास या उनको क्रॉस करने का इंतज़ार किया और साइड से आकर जो है मुझे मेरे फेस पे हिट किया और गालियां देने लगी। और जब मैंने उनको पूछा कि उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट को जो है वो सपोर्ट करती हैं। और आई एम सेफ बट माय कंसर्न इज कि जो आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद पंजाब में बढ़ रहा है, हाउ डू वी हैंडल दैट? थैंक यू।
After the alleged altercation with Kangana, the CISF Jawan in question has issued a statement. Kaur has cited Kangana's anti-Kisan remarks. In fact, this was her speaking at the airport itself. Let's listen in. All right, the CSF constable has in fact been suspended now. Kulvinder Kaur has been suspended is the information coming in. CSF is to lodge a police complaint to register the FIR against her. A departmental inquiry is also underway is the latest information coming in. So the CSF Jawan or the constable there, Kulvinder Kaur, has been suspended and FIR will be filed against Kaur is what we are told. Let's take this across to our reporter joining us live now. Amandeep is with us from Chandigarh Airport. Amandeep, this is, of course, a very shocking incident that takes place. Normally, when one boards an aircraft, this is certainly not how one expects the security personnel to behave. In this case, however, there's, of course, no justification for violence at any cost. And now action has also been taken by the security agency concerned, security force concerned. But in this particular case, the Jawan is citing some statements made by Kangana Ranaut which angered her. Take us through what exactly has happened and what really you're hearing from both sides.
Well, absolutely, Madhav, absolutely. What we need to understand is that how this entire incident has been unfolded. When Kangana was crossing the security layer at Chandigarh International Airport, there was one female Jawan identified as Kulvinder Kaur. She was deployed there, she was standing there. According to statement of Kangana, she was standing there and waiting for her. And in fact, what we are learning from our sources is that CISF female Jawan has triggered the statement to Kangana regarding her statements against farmers during the agitation. And from there, the entire episode has been started. And all of a sudden, that female Jawan has slapped the Kangana at that security point. And after that, all the CISF and security and authorities of the airport has intervened into that. And Kangana has been taken into the safer place. And accordingly, she has been taken into the custody, that CISF Jawan. And further, the departmental inquiry has been already initiated. She has put under the suspension. And in fact, a police complaint will be lodged very soon, just because we are speaking to some of the CISF sources also. They said we have drafted the complaint and very soon we are going to lodge the complaint against their own CISF constable Kulvinder Kaur to register an FIR against her. And further, the action will be taken accordingly. And even on the other side, the Kangana is connecting this entire incident with the terrorism in the state of Punjab. And in fact, the authority of Chandigarh International Airport, they remain mum on the issue. So far, they have not come out with any kind of statement. So this is how the entire incident has been unfolded, Madhav.
Well, in fact, the action being taken also on that particular Jawan as well. Stay with us, Amandeep. In fact, let's quickly open this up to our guests who are joining us. We have with us Prablodh Singh, analyst, Shashikant, former DGP of Punjab. With us is Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, and Satvik Malik is an activist who's also joining us. Let me start first and foremost, with the All right, we have the brother, I'm told, of the CISF constable. In fact, this is शेर सिंह माहीवाल who is joining us. शेर सिंह जी, आपकी बहन की सस्पेंशन हुई है और आज जो घटना घटी है, किसी भी तरह से इस तरह की हिंसा का क्या प्रयोग करना आप सही मानेंगे या कहेंगे?
देखो, बात तो ये है कि अभी तक हमारी बात नहीं हो पाई आपसे। जब बात होगी तो फिर हम बता सकते हैं ना कि ये हिंसा किस लिए हुई।
नहीं, लेकिन आप प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं। आप जो किसानों का जो प्रोटेस्ट है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि आप किसी गलत चीज के लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। आपको बिल्कुल संविधान के दायरे में रहते हुए किसी भी विषय पे प्रोटेस्ट करने का अधिकार है, पर अगर आप सांसद को थप्पड़ मारना शुरू करें, वो भी एयरपोर्ट के अंदर, तो इसे तो किसी भी रूप में सही नहीं माना जा सकता। सर
देखो, थप्पड़ क्यों उसने मारा, ये बात तो क्लियर होगी ना इंक्वायरी से।
नहीं, पर आपकी मांग है केंद्र सरकार से, आप प्रधानमंत्री, आप गृह मंत्री या जो एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर, इन सबके खिलाफ आप प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं। एक सांसद को इस तरह थप्पड़ मार के क्या क्या अचीव कर रहे हैं आप?
देखो, हमने ना तो ये देखा थप्पड़ वाइता हुआ, ना हमारी बात हुई, तो हम कैसे कह सकते हैं?
आपकी बहन के खुद के वीडियोस हैं जिसमें वो कह रही हैं कि जो 100 रुपए की कमेंट कही थी कंगना जी ने, तो उसके विरोध में उन्होंने चांटा मारा है। अब वो अगर एक कहीं पे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के तौर पे कहीं पे हैं, तो कम से कम ये भी तो नहीं करते कि जिन लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए वो खड़ी है उन्हीं को चांटा मारेंगी। गलत नहीं है
ये देखो ना, जो आप बोल रहे हो, चलो हम आपकी बात का ही जवाब देते हैं। हमने ना तो अपनी बहन की कोई वीडियो देखी है, ना अभी तक कंगना रनौत की कोई वीडियो देखी है। ठीक है, औरत का हम सत्कार करते हैं, इसलिए हम कुछ भी नहीं कह सकते अभी।
सर, ये जो वीडियो है हमारे स्क्रीन पे चल रहा है, आप चाहे तो एक बार सुन लीजिए उन्होंने क्या कहा। सुन लीजिए। लेट्स प्ले आउट दैट वीडियो ऑफ हिज सिस्टर वंस अगेन सो दैट मिस्टर शेर सिंह माहीवाल कैन हियर व्हाट हिज सिस्टर हैज सेड।
मेरी मां बैठी थी उस टाइम जब इसने बयान दिया था। मेरी मां बैठी थी उस टाइम जब इसने बयान दिया था। मेरी मां बैठी थी उस टाइम जब इसने बयान दिया। मेरी मां बैठी थी उस टाइम जब इसने बयान दिया था। मेरी मां बैठी थी उस टाइम जब इसने बयान दिया था।
ऑल राइट, ये बैठी थी वहां पे जब उन्होंने कहा था 100 रुपए के लिए बैठते हैं। मेरी माँ बैठी थी वहां पे, ये कहा है आपकी बहन ने। क्या जवाब देंगे शेर सिंह जी?
चलो ठीक है, आपने मुझे बात सुना दिया। मैं फिर भी ये जब तक अपनी आंखों से नहीं देख लेता, मैं इसको मानता नहीं हूँ। फिर भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये कंगना रनौत ने ये बयान दिया था, तो क्या सही था?
जी, कंगना ने तो ये भी कहा है आज की पंजाब में जो आतंकवादियों का जो रवैया चेंज हो रहा है ऑन ग्राउंड, इसकी चिंता है मुझे। क्या कहेंगे?
देखो, ये आतंकवादी आज नहीं बोल रहे। जब आंदोलन चला, इन्होंने हमें आतंकवादी, खालिस्तानी, पाकिस्तानी, चीनी, जहां तक भी कह दिया कि ये तो गंदी नाली के कीड़े हैं। वो कुछ कह सकते हैं, उनका हक है, उसने बोल दिया।
नहीं, आपका भी हक है, आप भी बोलिए, लेकिन चांटा मारना कहाँ ठीक है सर?
मैंने चांटा वाइटा देखा नहीं अभी।
आपकी बहन खुद कह रही है और उन पे एक्शन भी हुआ है। आपको लगता है सीआईएसएफ बिना किसी वजह से इस तरह सस्पेंड करेगी आपके बहन को?
नहीं, देखो, वो तो जो नकवारी में आएगा वो ठीक है।
All right, we'll leave it there for the moment. Clearly, of course, that's the brother trying to defend his sister's actions. Of course, end of the day, while whatever may be the cause, can violence such as this against a member of parliament be justified? That's a question, because when we go to airports, the minimum that we expect is that at least the men and women in uniform who are there to guard us, who are there to protect us, stay disciplined. That's certainly the big message, the big question coming out of all of this. But let me quickly take this across to our guest. Joining us with us is Prabhlot Singh. We've introduced our guest as well, but I want to go first and foremost to Shashikant, former DGP Punjab. Mr. Shashikant, what would you say in terms of the reaction to an event like this? Because as citizens, the least we expect, especially in a high security place like an airport, is that the men and women who don the uniform will be disciplined. Certainly not slapping any common citizens, least of all a member of parliament.
Yeah, whatever's happened, I'll say, is just not acceptable. It is a it's an act. Like I say, the inquiry has been instituted and commissioned, whatever. But I say in clear-cut terms, it is just not acceptable, no way. And it's not the question of anybody being a member of parliament or any ordinary person. No Jawan, no person in uniform or without uniform has a right to slap anyone or to indulge in violence or any kind of violence against anyone. But I'd like to add one more thing, that I was listening to the statement given by Kangana Ranaut. My request to her, humble request, will be that don't label Punjab as a ground where terrorism is there and all those things are there. Here also people are there, and they have been fighting for the nation, and they continue fighting for the nation, whether it's armed forces or whatever it is. Again, I deplore, I condemn the incident. It is just not acceptable, And again, my request will be, humble request to Kangana Ranaut will be, please don't make such sweeping statements.
Before I go across to other panelists, I'd quickly, in fact, request my team colleagues to bring out the visuals of the CISF officials at the police station lodging a complaint. I believe those are the visuals coming in live as well. We'll quickly try and cut across to those pictures in just a few minutes. But before we go across to that, Ashutosh Mishra, how do you like to respond to Mr. Shashikant, who's saying that this is certainly not acceptable by any yardstick? There are democratic ways to protest. Nobody can, of course, deny that. Slapping a member of parliament, completely unbecoming behavior.
I agree with you and him that this is unacceptable from a government servant. But you have to also understand the angst of the common people. I mean, this woman obviously still has a biological connection with her mother, and she feels that Kangana Ranaut is going scot-free after insulting the mother. I mean, these MPs and people of BJP who think that they can say anything about anyone and get away with it. It's a wake-up call for them. You cannot just keep on abusing people, calling them Khalistanis or whatever, just because. Even now, Kangana Ranaut hasn't shown any sort of maturity. She has become a member of parliament, but she is still talking about Punjab in a loose language, which is unacceptable. And she should learn. Voters of India have given a tight slap to BJP, and they should learn to tone down their language, accept that the people of India need to be respected. Just because you're on a high position doesn't mean that you can make any comment about anyone.
All right, those are the pictures coming in. In fact, CISF officials you can see at the police station, they're filing their complaint. Those are live pictures coming in from that particular police station where my colleague Amandeep is. Before I come across to other panelists, Amandeep, quick update. I believe the complaint is being filed as we speak. What can you tell us about the case? Any information of the FIR being lodged yet?
Well, absolutely, Madhav. You can see that the CISF officials are sitting inside the police station of Chandigarh International Airport, and the complaint has been formally lodged now. A formal complaint from the side of CFSF has been lodged with Mohali police to take the action against Constable Kulvinder Kaur. And the complaint has been lodged, and now the registering of the FIR process is still underway. So you can see the DSP rank level is sitting with the CISF official, and they are discussing, and in fact another CISF official has gone into another room with the complaint to register the FIR. So you can see the process is still underway. That means the CISF is already swung into the action to take action against Constable of CISF Kulvinder Kaur. See, they are discussing the contents of the complaint, Madhav. They are discussing which sections to be slapped against Constable Kulvinder Kaur, who is already placed under the suspension, and in fact how the FIR is going to register. So the process is underway, Madhav. Action is already begun against the security lapses here at Chandigarh International Airport. Yes, Madhav, over to you.
Thanks so much for that quick update there, Amandeep. Let's take this back to our guest. Prabhlot Singh is also with us. Prabhlot Singh, while agreeing that this behavior is totally unbecoming, Prabhlot Singh, you would have heard the version of Ashutosh Mishra. He says that certain leaders need to be mindful of the kind of language that they have been using, which certainly has angered large sections of society. While that in no way justifies this kind of violence, would you like to respond to that, Prabhlot?
I think we need to prioritize this correctly. Over here, the number one priority should be that anybody in uniform is duty bound and their loyalty should only be with their uniform. You know, whatever they have been duties they have been assigned, they should do those duties the way they should be conducted. And this type of a behavior will lead to utter chaos, not even in India and anywhere in the world. This is totally unacceptable. Regarding what Kangana Ranaut said about Punjabis, about Ugravad and Atangwad, I think that is generalizing it is very sad at the same time. But we, at this moment, we all need to agree on the part that any such act by anybody in uniform should be condemned, and we should ensure that this does not become a trend. Also, we need to find out, and I hope that's not the case, but we need to see, are there any political motivations behind it? In the past, we have seen that somebody throws a shoe at a minister and then gets a ticket from one of the political parties and they fight elections. So I really hope that is not the case, because if that
all
is
right,
the
that
case,
kind of activism is not acceptable, is what you're saying, Prabodh Singh. And let me take that question across to Savit Malik, activist who's with us. Savit Malik ji, आप activist हैं, लेकिन activism जब यूनिफॉर्म कोई पहनता है, जब वर्दी कोई पहनता है, तो ये एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, और खास तौर से इस तरह चांटा मारना तो बिल्कुल ही एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है।
माधव जी, हमने पहले भी कहा है कि कोई भी आंदोलन होता है, अगर उसमें हिंसा होती है, वो कमजोर होता है। और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो पंजाब को एकदम अलग करना चाहते हैं, और जो आंदोलन लगातार 2-3 सालों से चल रहा है, अभी भी आपको पता होगा कि पंजाब के अंदर आंदोलन चल रहा है और उनकी कोई सुन नहीं रहा। उनके लिए कील कांटे गाड़ दिए जा रहे हैं, उनके लिए रोड ब्लॉक कर दिए जा रहे हैं, प्रदेश को अलग कर दिया जा रहा है। लेकिन मैं फिर भी बहन बलविंदर कौर से कहूंगा कि आपको लड़ाई लड़नी है, गांधीवादी तरीके से लड़नी है, उग्र नहीं होना है। उग्र होने से आंदोलन कमजोर होगा। और आप देख रहे हैं 2024 का जो चुनाव का रिजल्ट आया है, जहां जहां किसान आंदोलन का असर था, वहीं पर बीजेपी घटकर नीचे आई है। वो उत्तर प्रदेश हो, हरियाणा हो, पंजाब हो, राजस्थान हो, सारी जगह पर जहां जहां किसानों को इन्होंने कुचलने का प्रयास किया, दबाने का प्रयास किया। और वो जो भाषा बोलती है करना रावत, हम कहेंगे ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो है इसी लायक।
नहीं, ये गलत बात है। आप जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं सवेत जी, आप गलत बोल के फिर आप उसको जस्टिफाई करें। शुरुआत में कहा कि हिंसा से कोई भी आंदोलन कमजोर पड़ता है और आप अब कह रहे हैं ये इसी लायक है, ये गलत बात है। नहीं, ये गलत बात है। ये आपकी ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स और हिपोक्रेसी है सर। किसी भी सांसद हो, चाहे बीजेपी के हो, चाहे कांग्रेस के हो, चाहे लेफ्ट के हो, क्या किसी रीजनल पार्टी के हो, दिस बिहेवियर इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल टू एनी पर्सन होल्डिंग एनी व्यू इन द कंट्री, एंड आई थिंक द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड आवर लॉज guarantee that. But Prabodh, quick response from you to what he says as far as the crushing of farmers and the spirit across the country is concerned. He's made some political statements. I want you to respond to that. Prabodh.
Sir, first of all, he's saying that they should control their activism, but when you wear a uniform, there is no activism involved. You are duty bound. You have certain responsibilities, and they are supposed to stick to that. Number 2, आप कह रहे हैं कि गांधीवाद को फॉलो करें और ऊपर से कह रहे हैं कि कंगना रनौत के साथ जो हुआ वो डिजर्व करती थी। सर, shame on you, sir. With all due respect, I think you crossed the lines here, sir. No, sir, no. Anybody with any viewpoint, any political ideology, party, or any statement they made in the past, you cannot take law into your hands. I'm sorry, sir.
Not endorse that position at all. Nobody can justify violence of any kind, whether it is a slap or something more serious. Certainly, no kind of violence can be accepted. At the end of the day, Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. We have non-violence, which he has preached, which the whole world has learned from India. We certainly cannot be seen justifying any kind of violence, however extreme the views may have been. Prabodh Singh, Shashikant, Ashutosh Mishra, Savit Malik, thanks so much for joining us this evening.